Hello, we're trading up. And on today's crypto conversation, we are talking about the 16 major cryptocurrencies that have been classified as digital commodities by the SEC. That's major news. Now, this happened back in March 17th, 2026. So it's already happened. It's been in effect for several months, but that was a major determination there. Now, before we go any further, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I always encourage you to do your own research. I'm sharing some of my research with you, and I hope that this research will help you to be prepared and not surprised. So let's take a look at this news. The SEC has classified 16 major cryptocurrencies as digital commodities. This classification marks a significant shift in regulatory stance. It allows for clearer guidelines and potential institutional investment opportunities. These cryptocurrencies include, and I have them listed in alphabetical order. You can also find them on the website for the Securities and Exchange Commission. They have them listed there in alphabetical order. They include Aptos, Avalanche, Bitcoin. We're not surprised by that. Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, Chainlink, Dogecoin. Now that was a surprise for me. Dogecoin and also Shiba Inu. Those are meme coins, but they were included. They did get SEC approval as digital commodities. Ethereum, Hedera or HBAR, Litecoin, Polkadot, again Shiba Inu, Solana, Stellar or XLM, Tezos, and XRP. So those are the list of approved cryptocurrencies listed as commodities. So what does this mean? What does this approval by the SEC mean? What this provides is regulatory clarity. So the SEC and the CFTC, which is the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, aim to reduce legal ambiguity surrounding these assets. It provides a clearer framework for their classification. Also, it provides market stability. By classifying these cryptocurrencies as commodities, the SEC seeks to foster a more stable market environment. Now, with a more stable market environment, that encourages institutional investment. Institutions do not want to invest in highly volatile assets or assets that do not have that clarity. Also, it provides consumer protections. This classification helps to ensure that investors are better protected under existing commodity regulations. So this is really major news. And so what does this mean for the 16 assets, these 16 cryptocurrencies? For XRP, this closes years of legal battles and uncertainty around its classification. I would mention that for XRP, after the court case, XRP had been cleared already. So XRP literally has regulatory clarity. For Solana and Avalanche, which previously faced scrutiny as well, it clears a major roadblock for wider participation. Projects like Hedera and Stellar, they're built with enterprise use in mind. Now they have a clearer pathway to expand within regulated markets. Enterprise use meaning businesses, large enterprises, which use massive data. They have heavy workloads and thousands of users. This clears the path to expand within these regulated markets. And across the board, these 16 assets now share a defined status that removes the ambiguity that once slowed their adoption. What does providing this clarity mean for the crypto market? This move reshapes how institutions approach crypto. Banks, asset managers, and exchanges now have a defined framework to work with, replacing the hesitation with clearer entry points. And it also opens the door for new trading products, custody services, as well as broader capital allocation into these assets, these crypto assets. Interest is expected to spread beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? As these 16 tokens now carry a recognized legal status. This is great news for the crypto market. And for the wider market, this creates a shift in focus from regulatory uncertainty to growth, participation, and infrastructure build-out. We're moving into a new digital economy, so they're continuing to build the infrastructure. I do hope that this information provides a little more clarity for you in this crypto space, and I do hope that it helps you to become prepared and not surprised with the changes that are happening right now. So until next time, take care.